guys, I'm Shantini and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a jewelry box unboxing video, and in today's video I'm going to unbox the House of Pandora jewelry subscription box. So House of Pandora is a Kolkata based online jewelry store, and previously they had an Instagram store, but right now they also own a website. So I will provide you guys with the link of their website down in my description box. Now coming to the price of this box, so basically this subscription box is priced at rupees 449 and it has 6 jewelry pieces inside it, and since it is a jewelry subscription box, it is customizable, so you will be able to choose your own jewelry pieces. They will provide you with enough options to choose from. So now let's quickly open the box and see what are the jewelry pieces that I've received in this box. So guys, as usual, I'm going to start with the box itself. So this is how their box is. It's basically a plastic box which you can use for storing all your jewelries, even the jewelries that you're receiving in the box. So once you open the box, inside it all the jewelry pieces come very well wrapped, and this is something I would like to mention about House of Pandora, that is every time I have unboxed their boxes, I've always noticed that their packaging is very good. So let me take these off, but before that let me show you the cards that I've received along with it. So I've received a few cards along with the box. So there are basically 3 cards that I've received and a bill as well. So I'm going to talk about the cards first. So the first card I can see says, "Thank you for shopping, hope you'll enjoy your purchase." So that is the first card. The second card is a jewelry care tips card, and I think this is so important to include in the box. And the third card is the House of Pandora's card. Now coming to the bill, so here is the bill, and the bill basically has the details of all the products that are inside the box along with their prices. So now let me quickly open up these packagings and let me take out the jewelry pieces, then I'll be back. Okay guys, so the first piece that I've received is a German silver ginni choker, and here it is. Like, I think this is the start product of their box and it is absolutely gorgeous, as you can see. So it basically has these big coin like things over here, and from that you can see that there are a few danglers, and these kind of necklaces are so much in fashion. I also got another option along with this to choose from, which I will show you here on the screen, so you can choose whatever you like, and I went for this because this is such a statement piece. So here is how it looks guys after wearing, and as you can see it's really gorgeous. I'm in love with this one. So this is priced at rupees 250 itself. So this is the first piece and I'm definitely going to wear this because it's beautiful. The next jewelry piece in my box is this pair of earring, and this is priced at rupees 101. So for this, the first few customers will get a color option, but after that I think you will get it randomly. That is how their stock is. So basically it is a very lightweight piece of earring, and I think it is made up of wood. Like, I think this it has a heart over here along with this tassel kind of thing going on. So the heart is basically made up of wood, and it has a small crystal over here. No, it's a stone. It has a small stone over here, and this looks really cute. So this is how it looks on my ears, and I am totally loving it because it is so lightweight, but it looks really gorgeous. Next jewelry piece is this golden pearl drop earring, and I am absolutely in love with this. It has this square kind of a shape right here along with 3 danglers which have pearl at their end, and it looks really nice. And by the way guys, let me tell you that it's very lightweight. Even if it's a huge earring, it's very lightweight. So here is how it looks guys. This is so pretty guys. I'm totally in love with this. And by the way guys, this is priced at rupees 179. The next jewelry piece that I've received is this one right here, and it's a sleek German silver choker, and this one is priced at rupees 149, and this is a very simple and very elegant piece of jewelry. So it has a few triangles, as you can see. Few of them are like just normal triangles, and then they are inverted triangles. Like, it has a geometric pattern all over, and I think this looks really nice. So this is how it looks guys, and this is so pretty. Like, all the pieces by far, each and every piece. I'm like really happy with all the pieces, and they look really pretty. Next, I've received this golden pair of earring, and this is priced at rupees 111. So it basically has 2 crystals in it, as you can see. So here is one crystal and one is right here. So it's a dangler, and this is again something very lightweight. It's a very chic piece. So let me quickly wear this and show it to you guys. So this is how it looks. It's very lightweight, but it's beautiful, guys. What do you guys think? I think it's really pretty. Lastly, I've received this pair of earring. It's a mirror earring, and I always wanted to have one of these because these are so much in fashion right now. So this one is priced at rupees 140, and with this I also got an option to choose a bracelet. Like either I can choose the bracelet or this one. I went for this because you guys know my love for earrings. Like you guys know that I love earring, and I think this is very pretty. Oh my god, guys, just look at this. This is absolutely beautiful. So with that, my unboxing is done. Now coming to my overall thoughts on House of Pandora's jewelry subscription box. First of all, guys, let me tell you that I am very happy with all the jewelry pieces that I've received, and I think the quality of the jewelry pieces are great. All the jewelry pieces that they have provided, they are so much in fashion right now. So all of these pieces are trending pieces. Also, you will get a lot of options to choose from, which I think is really good because not everybody's taste is the same. So overall, guys, I would definitely recommend this box to you guys because just for rupees 449 you will not get so many good pieces, and to be honest, each and every piece in the box is really beautiful. So this box is definitely recommended, and I give it a big thumbs up. This is a great box, guys. If you guys want to try it out, make sure you guys go and check out my description box for more details. I've provided you guys with all the website link and every other detail in my description box. So with that, we come to the end of this video. If you guys have liked this video, then don't forget to give it a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys again in my next video. Till then, take care.